Hey, good morning, guys. Dix is trying to give us some good correction. We can target for the previous day's high. The Asian range is looking bullish, and it's highly possible that we're going to trade above this high and this high too within a few days. This is the last day of the week, and we have around 18 hours left for the weekly candle to close. So let's see what's going on in the markets. In Euro USD, we can look for this previous day's low. Even though the overall scenario is bullish, we are currently trading above 50 MA, above equilibrium, into a bullish trend. So things are pretty much lining up for a long setup, but we don't have any long setup in 1 hour. GU, I'm long in GU. I was looking for this setup with this minor sweep of liquidity and then this break of structure towards upside. But right now we're just stuck inside this range from last two sessions. The daily bias is not that bearish because price actually cleared the previous day's low and closed above it. But still, it looks like we can get some more deeper correction towards this low too. But I'm gonna stick to my setup and I'm gonna hold this trade. Let's see how it unfolds. AUD USD, we're just extended towards upside, and I'm waiting for price to go below 38.2 before we can look for any kind of new long setups. For now, it's a skip. NZD USD, we are looking for longs. I was waiting for this setup last London session, even though that's not actually too much valid setup because we don't have a proper breakout structure, leaving fair value gap. It's more like a corrective phase breakout structure. It's not a strong one. And this one is a strong one. We can consider this one actually, because look at this. This is sweep of liquidity and then a clear breakout structure, leaving multiple fair value gaps in the price action. So it's possible that this London session we're going to trade all the way lower to this level, and then we can start looking for new long setups. But for now, I'm going to hold my this position. I have around 0.5 hour risk on this one. Let's see how it unfolds. USD JPY. I was waiting for this short setup last session, but we missed it by a few pips. Uh, the overall bias is bearish. The daily bias is not bearish because we managed to close above it. So it's possible that we're going to trade above this previous day high. Yep, this is the high. But at the same time, we know that we're currently at a very bearish impulsive phase. And I don't really think it's possible that price will clear this low today. Even though we have CPI event today during the New York open hours, we also have CHF related news during the London open hours. Let's see. Let's see. I can see a setup here, like this sweep of liquidity and then breakout structure. So let's see. Let's wait for it. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm gonna wait for a little more corrective phase upside so that I can look for shorts. I'm targeting for this low. This is a clean breakout structure, even though it's a inter range setup. But still, I'm gonna consider this one. I'm gonna wait for a little price action towards upside at my entry. I'm gonna place a limit order for this one. Let's wait for it. USD CAD is strongly impulsing towards upside. The overall storyline was bearish in daily time frame, but right now we're just correcting back upside. I want to see some bearish daily candle closure downside so that I can start looking for longs. Start looking for shorts. Right now I can't spot any setup in 1 hour except this one. This one looks like a good setup, like a sweep of liquidity towards upside, then breakout structure. Mm, let's remove this. Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna wait for something like this in USD CAD. Okay, let's set the alert. I'm gonna wait for a deeper correction upside so that I can look for shorts and target towards this low. The price is currently trading in daily time frame, trading below 50 MA, and at the same time, we're already rejecting from a premium price range. So it's possible that we're gonna see some continuation towards downside below this low. Let's see. Let's see how it unfolds. USD CHF, USD CHF. This is not a breakout structure at all. We can't look for a setup at this area, even though this looks like a setup, a breakout structure toward downside. But in this case, we need to wait for all the way upside towards this kind of price level. Possibly this setup. If this setup unfolds, it's possibly gonna unfold on the next week. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna keep this in my watch list. Gold. I was waiting. Last invoice price dropped by like 3% within a candle within an hour. I was expecting price to show me a little deeper correction towards my OT level so that I can start looking for longs. But right now, we're just stuck inside a range. We're beautifully bouncing from the equilibrium. Uh, let's say I don't have anything clear right now. I'm still waiting for a deeper correction in gold so that I can start looking for longs. At the same time, I'm aware that it's possible that gold is going to keep moving towards upside from current level. In that case, I will be looking for new setups. But right now, I'm just going to wait for this one. Euro GBP, let's remove this one. We got stopped out yesterday on this trade. And right now, we're still looking for longs. So overall daily bias, we're currently trading above 50 EMA. At the same time, we're bouncing above 38.2. So this is our HPL. We can target for this highs. Uh, what I will be waiting for, I will be waiting for a breakout structure, clear breakout structure towards upside. Even though it is not looking like a good sweep of liquidity at all. For me, it's just stuck inside of range. There is no clean setup for me right now, so it's a skip. I'm removing this from my watch list. Euro AUD, I'm still waiting for a deeper correction upside so that I can start looking for shorts here. Euro JPY, same storyline as USD JPY. That's a beautiful sweep. Then a breakout structure, inter-range breakout structure. We can still look for shorts from this kind of level, but I'm gonna focus on only UJ, not EJ right now. Still, I'm gonna set my alert here. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm waiting for this setup in USD CHF. In USD CHF, we are uh, into a very bearish environment in daily time frame. At the same time, we're dropping from a premium price range. This is the last impulsive breakout structure towards downside, and we corrected back all the way higher to a premium range, and right now we're dropping. So it's possible that we're gonna find some good short setup. This is a good short setup, I think. A sweep of liquidity, then a breakout structure toward downside, and we can wait for a corrective phase up, and then I'm gonna look for short from this kind of level and target towards this low. Euro CAD, that's a skip. Euro NZD, even though the daily bias is pretty much clear that we're gonna target towards this low, but there is no 1 hour clean setup. I can't spot any good sweep of liquidity, even though this looks like a good sweep of liquidity, but it doesn't look like we're gonna trade all the way higher to this level before dropping. Still, I'm gonna keep this in my watch list, and I'm gonna place my alert over here. Okay, Euro GBP, I'm waiting for a deeper correction into a premium price range so that we can start looking for shorts again. GBP CAD, man, last day I skipped this setup, and it looks like it was a mistake. Overall price action is bearish. We're currently trading below 50 EMA in daily time frame. This is the last impulsive breakout structure towards downside, and we corrected all the way higher to 38.2, and right now we are rejecting towards downside. I'm not in this trade right now, but I'm gonna monitor this how this actually unfolds because this was an inter-range breakout structure like this. So that's why I was like feeling a low lack of confidence. And at the same time, we're just rejecting from 38.2. It was not a deeper rejection from a deeper premium level. So yeah, let's see how it unfolds. I'm not gonna get involved into this one. It's already too late, so skip it. GBP CHF, we don't have anything here. We are beautifully dropping towards downside. We all after creating this breakout structure, we corrected back higher to equilibrium level, and we're dropping from the equilibrium level very aggressively, but we don't have any clean 1 hour setup yet. So that's a skip. Okay, GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Overall, this is the last breakout structure towards downside. We're currently rejecting back downside from 38.2, and it looks like we have a setup over here. That's a sweep of liquidity. We can consider this one, even though the breakout structure was not valid because it's not leaving any clear fair value gap in the structure, but that was impulsive, so we can consider it. But it looks like we already missed it. But I'm gonna keep this in my watch list and I'm gonna monitor it. If price managed to show me a good correction towards this kind of level, in that case, I will consider again getting involved in this trade. Uh, in weekly time frame, we're already below the previous weekly low. Let's say the last day of the week. It's better if we just take things slow. Okay, I'm already holding few positions, and my job for the day is pretty simple. Just let them run. I'm not planning for new trades right now, honestly. AUD CAD, we're also waiting for a deeper correction so that we can start looking for longs. AUD CHF, we are already into a discounted price region into a bullish market. We're below 38.2. We can start looking for longs right now, but there is no clean setup yet. One setup that I can spot here is this one, this internal uh, breach breakout structure. I'm gonna keep my alert at around this level and let's see how it unfolds. AUD NZD, nothing clean. We are still waiting for a deeper correction downside into a discounted level so that we can start looking for short longs. The overall market bias is bullish. We are currently trading above 50 EMA, so that's the skip. AUD JPY. We just created a new breakout structure towards downside. I was looking for long last session. The initial move was good, but then we corrected back all the way lower. It ended up hitting a break-even stop loss in my side, and then we managed to create a breakout structure towards downside. So I'm not going to consider this breakout structure. I'm not going to drop my Fibonacci on this one because we're currently clearly trading above the 50 EMA. Rather, what I will do, I will actually consider this breakout structure towards upside, and currently we're into a discounted price region into a bullish market. So I'm going to wait for a breakout structure in 1 hour, a breakout structure upside in 1 hour so that I can start looking for long setups. So that's a skip for me, and I'm still gonna keep this in my watch list because currently we are into a bullish market and price is already in a discounted price region. So yeah, let's see how it unfolds. NZD CAD, we are still waiting for a deeper correction. NZD CHF, I can spot this long setup. Overall storyline is still bullish. We're currently into a discounted price region into a bullish market. This was the last breakout structure towards the upside, and I'm already long in this one. And price missed out take profit by a fair pip, and right now we are just in like aggressively dropping towards downside. I'm already break even, like my stop loss is at break even for this position, and I am gonna plan for this long only if I plan for this long. In that case, okay, if I plan for this long, this station, in that case, what I will do, I will just trail my stop loss at this level so that I can ride this long towards upside. This last day of the week, and honestly, it doesn't look like it's going to play out. Look at the weekly candle. We are closing like this. And it's highly possible that if price managed to close like this for this week, it's highly possible that the next week we are going to open trade back lower. Then we will start trade back higher. We'll start trading higher. So overall, the things are not lining up. But at the same time, I'm aware that we have a CHF red folder news events today, even today during the London open hours. So let's see how it unfolds. NZT I was looking for longs in this one. I missed this one, but it was a stop out overall. It was a reversal setup. Sweep of liquidity breakout structure. I was looking for longs from this, but I missed this one. But it was a reversal setup, and reversal setups are always low probable. I'm still waiting for a good, decent breakout structure towards upside so that I can start looking for longs. The best option is let the price like shift the trend completely. Like what I want here is price to clearly trade above 50 EMA, and then I'm gonna like wait for my setup. That's the best option always. Like looking for a continuation setup. Uh, yeah, at CHF, I'm gonna hold my position. I am gonna hold my position. The daily bias looks bearish. Let's see. One interesting thing is that we are actually short in CAD CHF, and at the same time, I'm long in NZD CHF. So I'm actually pretty much hedged for the CHF. Let's see. CAD JPY. We managed to clear this low. No, we actually failed to clear this low, and right now we're again correcting back upside. So I'm gonna wait for this level. I'm gonna wait for price to correct back all the way low higher at around this level, and then I'm gonna look for shorts again. So that's my plan for CAD JPY. CHF JPY. Now I was looking for longs. Price is currently in a deep discount level into a bullish market, but I looks like I missed this trade, even though it's a reversal trade setup and it's a low probability one. But still, I'm gonna keep my eyes on this one. Let's see how it unfolds. Let's see how it unfolds. And BTC USD, skip it. Okay, GBP AUD. GBP AUD, what I'm waiting for here. This is the last breakout structure towards downside, and I'm gonna wait for price to correct back higher towards the 38.2 and above. I'm waiting for price to correct back higher into a premium level so that I can start looking for shorts. Overall, the daily time frame is bearish. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. Let's summarize the whole thing. I'm long in GBP USD. I'm looking for longs in NZT USD. I'm already in a position and looks like we're gonna get stopped out. I'm looking for shorts in USD JPY. USD CAD looks, I'm looking for shorts here too, but I'm gonna wait for a deeper correction towards upside. I'm waiting for gold to drop a little more downside, hopefully. And I'm also monitoring this short setup in Euro CHF. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. See you soon on the next session. Have a great day.